Hello.
Hello, I am Daisy Zulano. I am 48 years old. I have 5 kids.
How about your experience?
I have experience in Kuwait. I'm starting April 29, 2011. I finished my contract September 13, 2013. And that my experience, another experience in UAE. I start working there in February 9, 2013, I finished my contract in May 16, 2016. And my third employer in Kuwait, 2016, 2016 of December 4. I finished my contract in October 18, 2018. And the last employer in Kuwait, I start April 9, 2022. I finished already in December 30, 2022. I already 10 months working with them because they are for good in US.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I I want to work in Hong Kong because I need much higher salary than Middle East.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
I love to cook. Okay. How about Chinese food?
I will learn.
You will learn. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.